Hello, my name is Jerrod Martin and I'm the parts director here at Don Jacobs. I'd like to share something super exciting with you if I may. I'd like to share with you the new Atlas Cross Sport. But not only about the truck, which is amazing in its own right, I'll show you some of the amazing differences between the regular stock Cross Sport and the Don Jacobs accessorized Cross Sport. The first thing you'll notice immediately is the chrome grille. On the stock vehicle, there's chrome all over, and on our accessorized vehicle, you'll notice that it's all now liquid gloss black. This is an incredible feature, and it really gives great contrast to your truck. On around, you'll notice that the wheels are now powder coated, and they're powder coated in a liquid gloss black as well. The mirrors are also liquid gloss black now. The roof is a vinyl gloss black wrap as well. This is an incredible contrast look. Next is one of our more popular options, window tinting. You'll notice around all the windows, all the chrome has been darkened to a liquid gloss black. With the rear of the vehicle, you'll notice that we've taken all the chrome out of the equation once more and added the bezels, which are now liquid gloss black as well at the base. So as you can see, the sky's the limit when it comes to accessories here at Don Jacobs. Thank you for allowing me to show you our new Cross Sports today, and we appreciate your time.